Hello and welcome back. I'm SOPHIA and you're watching Autotech CBE for all biking solutions. This coil is a Harley Davidson 750 street coil. This video is all about this coil because this coil got completely damaged. I'll show you in the closer. We are going to make it ready. This video is completely about making this coil ready. Before getting into the video, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you'll get all the videos which I upload. Now let's get into the video.
This coil belongs to Harley Davidson 750 streets bike. Because of one-way clutch bolt, the coil got completely damaged. This is a common issue in all bikes. This is not only for Harley Davidson, this bike. For all 100cc and for ISCC bikes, this happens commonly. Because of one-way clutch, this happen. This video is all about I have did this. That's it. Not anything else. The thing is, this coil is not available in the market, and we rewind it. That's it. We can wind it. There's a lot of chance to wind it. The first thing, I have to remove the bend because the core got bent drastically. I removed the bend and made it perfectly to wind it. Now it's ready for the winding. There is a lot of process to remove the bend and to pack it for winding. We did it perfectly, and we made the winding also. And the thing, this video is all about we have did this. That's it, not anything else. I have finished the winding and yet for the connection, and the connection also made. The thing I have to say is this coil is a very complicated and a very toughest coil to wind it. I have winded many coils, and this coil is really a tough and a complicated thing to wind it. And I have winded it, and at last it finished, and it's to dispatch now. That's it, friends. I think you like this video. Do share with your friends and do comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye 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 bye.